Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the system so changes are reversible and safe. First, make a full-time machine backup and create a bootable installer. This prevents data loss if you need to revert. Next, enable Finder Pathbar and show file name extensions to mimic Explorer clarity. Install key utilities like Rectangle for window tiling and uBar or DocMate to recreate the taskbar. These are the foundation. Once done, you'll be ready to apply visual and input changes that follow. Now you'll transform appearance and interaction to match Windows workflow. Apply a Windows-style icon set and cursor pack, then set a matching wallpaper for immediate visual parity. Replace or reconfigure the dock with uBar or DocMate so it behaves like a taskbar and supports a start-style menu. Make sure auto-hide and pinned items are configured. Remap keys so Command acts like Control for common shortcuts, and enable right-click and middle-click behaviors. Once configured, test window snapping and finish by tuning system preferences and adding utility apps that replicate Windows features. Turn off mission control gestures you don't want, customize trackpad and mouse for Windows-style scrolling, and streamline notifications. Add a quick launcher, clipboard manager, and virtual desktop tool to mirror Power Toys functions. Make sure startup items are minimized for speed. If something breaks, boot to safe mode, disable third-party extensions, check disk permissions, and restore from your Time Machine backup if necessary. This one troubleshooting path resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.